Ever thought about building and testing a whole world with just your words? Well, today we're going to check that out. So let's start with a huge question. How do you actually test for something when failure is not an option?
Right, think about a city evacuation. You can't just do a real-life trial run. It's impossible.
The old way of modeling this stuff was, super slow and rigid. The new way is instant. And that's where MirrorWorld comes in. You just describe a world and bam, it builds it for you.
It all kicks off with a simple prompt. Just plain English, describing a world and a crisis. And just like that, the AI turns those words into a working digital model, completely ready to go. And here's the result, a full-on interactive 3D world built from just one sentence. Crazy, right?
But it's not just a pretty picture. The system gets real-world rules, like bridge capacity limits.
So when you hit play, you see exactly where things get jammed up. The bottlenecks pop right out.
Okay, this is where it gets really cool. You can start breaking things and asking, what if?
For example, you can just tell it, collapse the main bridge, right in the middle of the evacuation. And look at that, the system instantly reroutes everything, showing you the new critical choke points. With that one bridge gone, evacuation time shoots up by a massive 185%. That's not a guess.
But, just finding the problem isn't enough. You've got to actually fix it, right?
So you can give the AI a new goal. Something like, get this evacuation done in 2 hours.
The AI gets to work and spits out a new plan, cutting the overall risk by 40%. And you can apply this to almost anything, urban planning, supply chains, you name it.
This really is a huge shift. I mean, why try to predict the future when you can just explore it?
So that leaves one last thought. If you had this tool, what's the first problem you'd solve?